What's good, guys? How y'all doing? So if you saw the previous video from yesterday, you would have saw that what Bitcoin has been doing currently and what's been going on. Look, I can't make this up, man. The market is actually doing what I'm anticipating on it to do. So I'm expecting again, I'm expecting for the market to come into this area here, right? I'm expecting for it to come and drop right around in this area right here. And once it give me this drop and come right here, expecting for it to come right in that little area there. Once it come there in that area, my next move is to look forward to buying. All right. At the current moment, it has came to this area. It's giving us a little drop. All right. This is what you call it's correcting itself. All right. So the market had what ended up happening is the market had went into overbought. So it was getting to its highest peak. So now it has to do its pullback. Now that it is doing a pullback, we're looking for it to at least touch about 65.9, maybe very, very low 66. Once it come into that area right there, we're definitely looking for the buy. We'll look for it to kind of play right around in here a little bit, kind of come back, do a little bit of retest, and then we're looking for it to shoot here, right? But this specific time, I'm expecting for it to come out of this little zone area right here, probably give us another little pullback, shoot into the mid 70s. So yeah, guys, that's what we're looking for. That's what I'm anticipating on. Let's see how it goes. I'm excited, and I'm more excited at the fact that when you into this type of market or you're into this type of skill set, right, you can kind of just visualize the money that you're about to make. And you don't like to get your hopes up too high, but honestly and truly, it's like anything. All right, when you study something and you learn the skill set to it, your risk, because we know most people like to say it is risky, right? So how do you limit your risk? It's just by simply knowing what you're doing. So even if you got out there and tried to ride a bike, if you didn't know what you was doing, you risk the chance of skinning yourself up, hurting yourself. You get out there on the expressway and you don't know how to drive a car. How do you lower those risks of getting into an accident? It's simple. Driving the speed limit, or maybe looking at your mirrors multiple times, not playing on your phone while you're driving. So it's different tactics that you learn with anything that you're doing to lower the probabilities of you losing. So simply, I just learned the skill set, right? That for you guys that doesn't know about it, and for you guys who are in fear of taking your money and investing it and turning it around, for you may speak against it and say it's risking. But for me, I'm not looking at it as a risk, because I'm simply exercising what I've learned into the market. So it's making me feel that I'm not taking a risk. And so again, everything is all about feelings. Everything you see on these charts is simply emotions. So if you get your emotions intact, you'll do good in this market. All right, we'll see you at the top. The bottom too crowded. Hope you guys are learning something. Hope I'm able to teach my method of how I'm trading. It don't have to be so technical. Now, I can get into the technical side of it, but I'm showing you guys from a simple perspective that when you get technical with it, yes, you can make a lot of money, but you got to understand the basics first. And once you understand the basics, you'll always be able to make money with the basics. Technical analysis, again, when it's real technical, when you get real science about it, you can make a few mistakes, given the fact that you have to back test some things. You have to understand how volatility work and all of that. So if you get all of that stuff out of your mind and what you've been taught from the past encounters, come back to your basics. And I promise you guys, you will win. Just understanding the basics. Guys, we out of here.